Hi everyone! Today we'll be making a classic breakfast or dessert type of dish with Russian roots, which called Zapekanka. Zapekanka is very similar to cheesecake, typically made with farmer cheese and optionally dried fruits. It is super easy to make, and if you'll try it once, it will become one of your favorite breakfast dishes. Today I will be making Zapekanka out of homemade farmer's cheese, also called Tvorog. I do have a recipe on how to make one. I will place a link in description below, along with ingredients for this recipe. Okay, let's bake. Step number 1. Combine all the ingredients in a large bowl except dry fruits. We will add dry fruits later. Soak dry fruits in boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm using a mix of raisins and dried cherries. This small step helps to prevent dry fruits from soaking up all the moisture during baking. Combine all the ingredients using hand mixer and let it sit for about 15 minutes for semolina to expand. Step number 2. Combine dry fruits with the farmer's cheese mix and give it a few swirls. Take a casserole type dish and spray it with oil. Add the farmer's cheese mix and it's ready to bake. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 40 minutes. I overcooked mine a bit, but it still turned out really good. Let the zapekanka cool down a bit before trying. You can serve it warm for breakfast with sour cream, jam, honey, or as a delicious dessert after a meal. Please leave comments if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.